Hi guys! Today is December 11, 2020. We are here on my proposed farmhouse. It is an elevated house design. So we are excavating for the foundation. And just follow me, my friends. My future design of farmhouse, which I will overlook. I can see all this area. So I will have maybe ash plant, goats, cows, mainly the pre chicken. We have ducks and some cash crop vegetable. Maybe you can see in the future my melon. I will also develop a vineyard here, small only. So in the future this place will be having an agricultural venture. This is where I will start my by cash crop. This property is around 3.5, but I fenced almost 2 hectares. The other side is going to the across the river there. You can I will show you the that across on that side another 1.5 hectares, but it is our place. This property is a river across this property, like halfway on this property it is crossed by a river there. River there is good also. It's a good source of water in intense heat. We have a supply of water here. So follow me, my friends, on this my channel. I will show you, my friend, this is a product of my retirement. So I decided to go for agriculture. So this will be my pilot area, a showcase to the community about natural farming. I will do all natural farming here. So this is a farm integrated to aquaculture also. I have some area here where water is always having a water. So I'll develop that for aquaculture, maybe developing catfish around here. We'll be having a catfish here around, and even I'm planning for the fresh shrimp, the freshwater shrimp I'm planning, but I have to make a building on that. It will be inside cemented like a cage for this. I'm planning here also, but it will not be a big one, but sustainable. We will make sustainable farming here. We will see how much this cost me. Actually, this cost me as the beginning. It cost me already. But this is what we call a rest house and a farm. So I build here. This is only the foundation. This is only 12 by 12 meters. But on the first floor, I will extend around maybe 2 meters on the veranda. So the inside will be 144 square meter floor, plus beside on this. This is a square site. Gikuha na ko to. So follow me, my friend. I will show you the development of this farmhouse until it will finish. So still 1 week. Still 1 week for this project. Already I have so many inputs here. I will show you in the video, next video. Pila ganin ni ka kuan? 14 no? Aligi? So this farmhouse having 14 posts, and in the middle is 2 posts. So between posts here, it is about 4 meters. 4 meters? No. 4 meters kay 12 by 12 magkano eh? 12 by 12. So 16 din eh. 16.
May kwenta sa kanto na. Pagyapon mo dire por meron pat. Amo dito to lo kan. Tolo man ito.
4 man eh. 4 meters. So 16 meters eh. 16 by 16.
Dili, 12 na.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. So for one side, it will be 4 posts for the 12 meters. 4 posts means why 4 posts? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 meters. 1, 2, 3. Because of the edge. This is the paradox. The paradox of mathematics. 12 by 12 should be divided by 4. It should be 3. But why we have 4 posts? So this paradox of mathematics. How we can prove that for 12 meters, you have 4 sticks equally divided for 4. It should be 3 meters, but here 4 meters is in between the posts and 4 posts. Because of the edge, we count the edge, so another 1. So I'm showing you now here how my friend, this cost me. This is costing me so much. Is matting. We have to put a foundation for the post, and because we will also 24 inches we will build up after this, and 1 feet or 12 inches. 1 feet 12 inches will be on the top, and there the post, wood post will be there. I'm planning for 16 by 16. 6 by 6 posts, wood posts for this for the foundation of this elevated farmhouse. Smile sabang. You have to smile. Okay. Kaya mga kinala man yun ng actor, basta film, actor. Dili filming nga paano. Dahil katawang kontrabida. So this is a retirement rest house of me. Basin mawa sila dalan kap.
Meter man.
Pila ang kwan?
Meter kada ko na 40 ra pa ni.
Sige lang, isabot lang si kwan, kapitan. Kaya akong butangan ako kay di ko makalusot. Ikuan nga dili matabon, kapitan. Basin matabunan nilang kwan. Sakto. Nagaman po ko kumaton dire. Nice. This is the initial construction materials for my farmhouse. So some steel bars. We have also the bag of cement. So this is initial of I think I can so takot lang. 18 raman na. Kailang kay pwede na dito sa pick up siguro na ko magkuha ko dito sa kwan. Di ka na kuan ang simento. Itulod lang. Tulod lang sa kabilya. My wife. Gatong Taiwan, asa man to? 2 kilos. Oh. Nasilalom. Mura man na balance akong gipang kuan. Darang kuan. Kung magkulang ang simento, maghinahinay na po tag kuan. Imo kada naman wa mag ako anong kuan. Diri butang kay ako ha? Oo. Umana na bayad dito. Still 4 o'clock. So 30 minutes for unloading on these materials, maybe 30 to 1 hour. So we can go home. So we are initial materials for my for my farmhouse. This is for the foundation. Although my house will be elevated and designed for wood second floor. We are using wood. So follow me, my friends, for my future, for building my future farmhouse. A dream that I am doing for a long time as an OFW. I'm retiring now. So this is it. I build my farmhouse and hope I will be a model here in the community to have a nice multi-cropping vegetable garden. So it's okay. My wife is talking to me. We are watching also because we have to receive these materials. Thanks and follow me, my friends.